In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this phone. So first of all, we will open IMEI number via secret code. To do it, just open your phone dialer, and then enter a short secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here it is. As you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. It's for both slots. And then you can also find this number via settings, and there you can also reach serial number. To do it, just open list of all apps, go to the settings, then now find and select about phone, and here go to status. And as you can see, you've got IMEI numbers here and serial number a bit lower. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.